granddad's clothes. I look incredible. I'm in this big ass coat from that thrift shop down the road. I'll wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. Come on, man. I'm in this big ass coat from that.
Hey guys, it's Aidette, and today we are going thrift shopping. Today's goal is find a whole bunch of cute things that I can put together. Can we do it? I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can even find some cute things, but I have been wanting to go thrift shopping for about a year now, so I'm really excited because summer's coming up. Even though today is rainy as heck, super gloomy, I don't know why, because it's almost springtime, we can still be cute and fashionable buying things thrifted. So let's go and see if we can do this. Alright guys, so I'm currently listening to Kiara's song. If you guys haven't heard it, it's called Kiara Marie, Say I'm Your, and it's on SoundCloud. It'll be down below. Miss me with that game shit, 'cause now you got me pissed. Oh baby boy, it's you. Now we're at the thrift shop. But I just want you to know, I hope he buys you flowers. I hope he holds your hand. Give you all his hours when he has the chance. Take you to every party, 'cause I remember how much you love to dance. Okay, this is definitely not a simp with me, but if you guys want another simp with me part 2, let me know. Today's a rainy day, so I'm in my feels for no reason. So my sister's here and she's gonna help me film with me. So we are now going into the thrift shop. Let's see if we don't get kicked out. Do you want to borrow me? Oh my gosh, you're such exciting things to know. Oh my god. We have found the jackpot.
Okay, let's go.
If you guys are into vintage things, these are the things you need to be looking for. All these things here, $2. They're probably like scrubs or something, but they definitely work. These are super cute for the springtime. You should get a card on this one, so. We went to the pajama section. Some like cute high-waisted shorts that you can wear with a crop top, silky pieces. Like this one's a robe. Victoria's Secret sells them for like $800 million. So I can't tell if these are a little snatchy. So if you're into like the 80s, 90s vibes, this is for you. We're at the sweat section. Key for Instagram daddy looks. I know that sounds so cheesy, but these are Sophie, guys. If you're an athlete, Sophie is the wave. These are kind of cute. They're kind of like old school juicy vibes. This is exactly why you have to dig deep, because this is vintage juicy couture. Bratz. I used to be such a huge fan of Bratz. There's an actual like military jacket. I don't know if that's disrespectful. So then we got some men's tee. Bright yellow, bright orange, red, and greens are all in like larges. I think this was a success. We got tons of men's coats, some windbreakers. I'm probably spending like $100. These are one of those things that you can see in like horror movies. Now time to check out. And we are a success, guys. I only spent $100 on 3 full bags of clothes. So we spent about 2 hours in the thrift shop, and it was 100% worth it because I got a ton of things that were very expensive normally. And by the way, I broke one of my nails. All worth it because we got tons of things. I got some things like from the Saints, got things from Adidas, and there was like a few stains on it, but luckily it was on the bottom part of the Adidas shirt, so I can just crop it because I am going to be like altering all these types of clothes. I'm going to be showing you guys how to kind of like make everything a lot more cute and customize it. That's pretty much the point of thrift shopping. I'll show you guys the things that I got in a bit. So I am now back home. It has been about 2 hours that I spent at the thrift shop. Just for reference, so you guys can see what I mean by 3 huge bags, I'm going to show you guys one of the bags. It doesn't even fit in the screen. So none of this stuff has been washed yet, but I'm just going to pretty much pull anything out that I see from the bag and show you guys. The first pair of jeans that I got, this was $4.95. I think the most expensive thing that I got was $6. These are Jagged Jeans. These were only $4 and they look like this. They're a little bit high-waisted and they are flared out, but I'm going to be cutting them up into high-waisted shorts. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to make high-waisted shorts, then let me know because I will definitely do some DIYs for you guys. And here are some Calvin Klein jeans. I saw these and I was like, Calvin? I don't care what size you are, I'm gonna like hem you up to fit me. Calvin jeans can run for very expensive, but these were only $5. Here you can see that they're Calvin and they're super cute. They're just like a dark wash, but nothing too crazy. High-waisted too. Either leave them be or cut them up as shorts. Then I got some Lucky brand jeans. So this is a logo here, $5, and Lucky jeans are supposed to be quite on the pricey side. I'm not sure if this was a rip that was already made in them or not, but whatever, because obviously ripped up jeans are the wave. Medium wash, and they're really cute when they're cuffed. So then I found a Juicy Couture jacket, and when I saw this, I swear I felt like I was living. It's a brown shade, and then in the back it just says Juicy. This was clearly vintage because it's kind of like really faded. It's juicy. It's a look. And I went into the men's section and I got a whole bunch of just oversized colorful tees. I think that these will be really fun for like the summertime. So I got this big red top. This was only $1.95 for like all of these different colored shirts. So basically I just got this big oversized red tee. This one is in a men's, I think, large. Then I got this neon yellow one. This one is an extra large. Got this one. This one's gonna be really fun for the summertime, or literally I would wear it now. And then I got this like forest green color here. I couldn't pass up the bright orange one. Then I found a large corduroy men's jacket. The color was really pretty and I thought that I could style it really nice. So I saw this piece when I was at checkout and I told my sister to go grab it for me. This is what it looks like. It's just a camel shade and it has this fur right here and the inside just looks like this. So it's really warm and this will be really nice for when I go to New York in April. I'm very excited. I don't even know if it's gonna be cold in April though, because the last time I went in May and it was like blazing hot. This next top was $3 and I have been eyeing a Tommy Hilfiger top that looks like this. It was pretty much the same thing, just a red like little pull-up. And I honestly just got these sweats because it reminded me of my childhood, because I used to wear a lot of like green and pink together. Green band and then the rest are just pink, so it's just like a watermelon vibe. And I got this blue windbreaker from the men's section and it just says comments on the back. I don't know what it is honestly, or a team, but it just says comments on the back and I thought that it would be really cute to wear. Then I got these like puffy pants, a tan color, and they just flare out at the bottom, just snatch you up how they have an elastic waist. These do feel like a little bit better quality. These are both by Cherokee. And before anyone comes at me, I don't watch football, but I did get this Saints windbreaker because why not? Then I got some cute biker shorts. These go very high-waisted and they're just like a flowy cotton material, and then they are gonna squeeze you right here at the end on the thighs. So then I got two jean skirts. There's this light wash one. This one's from American Eagle. This one's more of like a cheer one. These are the ones that you kind of see at American Apparel. This was also $3 and it's just pleated white. So when I was looking through the sweat section, I found some by Sophie, which is a very popular brand for athletes. I used to wear these all the time for cheer, but these are like really comfy sweats. They just have black and yellow lining. And I found this Adidas shirt. So it's stained at the bottom, but I was thinking about just cropping it anyways. And that shirt was only $1 when that's like running for $40. Then I wasn't really sure about these pants, but they are a corduroy material and they're a teal shade, but they cinch at the very top, so they're gonna make you look really nice. I just got them anyway because you never really know. Then I got this white robe from the pajamas section and this was only $2, just the basic that you need. And I got some high-waisted periwinkle cotton shorts. So cute. I love to wear shorts that are kind of like this with just some Nikes and a crop top. And of course you need your basic gray sweats, so I'm always wearing these on the daily. If I'm not done up, it's because I'm not making a YouTube video, so I'm wearing these almost every single day. They're just flared out at the bottom. Then I found these emerald green sweats, and these are brand new because they still have the tags on. Tiny little pockets, so these reminded me of something that Juicy would sell. So, and I found this pink fuzzy oversized jacket. So pink is my favorite color, of course. Then I got this tee that says Arizona football. Why? I don't know, but it was really comfy looking and I thought that it was really cute. Then I got these jeans. All of them are pretty much high-waisted, but I got these mostly for the back because it has this pretty embroidering in the back, and I'm just gonna cut these up probably into shorts. Then I got a last pair of scrunchy pants. So these are high-waisted, lime color, but I don't know, for some reason I thought that I could possibly make it cute. And these next two pieces were Victoria's Secret inspired. These are just some red silky pajama pants, and then kind of the same thing for this robe here, very pretty, and then it has like this lace detailing. Then I got this great sweatshirt for only $6, super warm and thick. This actually ran for $30 originally. And I got this blue coat, so this was only $4. So this was the very first thing that I saw as soon as I walked in. Pretty sure this is like a size large. And for the very last thing that I got from the thrift shop is this men's flannel, this tan shade and plaid. So very simple, very cute. If you guys want me to continue making these thrift shop videos, let me know down below. But just a little reminder, whenever you guys go to the thrift store, you guys really need to stay there for quite a while, look through everything, because you can find things like Adidas, Nike, Juicy, all those expensive brands, Calvin Klein for like $4 or $2 even if you're lucky. So all of this stuff ended up being only $128. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.